Yesterday we talked about main idea and supporting details. Main idea is what the text is mostly about, and supporting details are those little details in the story that back up the main idea. At the top of this we see it says central idea. I want you guys to know that central idea and main idea are the same thing. So if you hear me say central idea, just know that we're also referring to main idea. So we are going to read this short passage and answer some main idea questions together. Tails can help an animal move and swing. Monkeys, for example, balance on the trees, and kangaroos use their tails to balance while they jump. Crocodiles use their tails to spin them around and around when they need to catch their prey, while scorpions often have poison in their tails. Beavers use their powerful tails to pat ground down hard and solid. Almost all fish use their tails to swim and to steer their movement. Whales, dolphins, sharks, and many others use their tails as a sort of rubber to steer them in a certain direction. Birds' tails are very important for steering as well. So, part A. What is the central idea? So what is the main idea here? Remember, there are 4 ways that we can find a main idea. First is title and heading. Second, pictures and captions. Third, repeated words. And fourth, the first and the last sentence. So we don't have any pictures or captions or title and headings here. So we're going to have to depend on the repeated words and the first and last sentence to help us find our main idea. So is it A, tails are required for animals? B, tails can be dangerous? C, tails are needed to swim? Or D, tails are helpful to many animals? I want you to write your answer on your whiteboard, and then you're going to hold your answer up, and we will reveal the answer as a class. If you're at home, you may write your answer on a whiteboard or on a sheet of paper. If you need extra time, you may pause this video. So we know that our answer cannot be A because not every animal has a tail, and never in this passage did it say that it is required for an animal to have a tail. It cannot be B because it did not mention tails being dangerous in this passage. Our answer is not C because they're not just talking about tails being used to swim. That was just one detail. So our answer here is D because these are multiple ways to show that tails are helpful to many animals. Part B. Fill in a circle before the sentence from the passage that supports your answer in part A. So of course we can't fill in our circles here. So we are going to write our answers on the whiteboard, either A, B, or C. And if you're at home, you will write it on your whiteboard or paper. So A, tails help an animal move and swing. That's something that supports our main idea that tails are helpful to many animals. B, monkeys, for example, balance in trees. Kangaroos use their tails to balance while they jump. C, crocodiles use their tails to spin them around and around when they need to catch their prey, while scorpions often have poison in their tails. So our answer choice up here for part A was very general or broad. It doesn't give a specific animal. So since B and C are given specific animals with specific examples of how those animals use their tails, our answers are not B or C. Our answer here would be A.